Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch our shape this waffles recipe that I garnished with some butter, some banana and some honey. You can use jam, you can use chocolate. So here are my two ripe plantain that I am going to mash properly until it is creamy. I'll add in pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg. I will whisk it together properly. So now I will add in vegetable oil and give it a quick mix. Now I will add in my saved flour. I will mix together properly again. So guys, this is my first time of making this recipe. So I noticed that the dough was too stiff, so I added in water and I gave it a good mix. So I preheated my machine and now I'm going to be adding in the butter. So I will just cover it and cook it until it is properly cooked. I think I did this 0 to 10 minutes. So here is it. I will remove it and I will repeat the process of my returnees. Thank you for returning. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notification and be a member of the family so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime we upload. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. I have a review about this machine. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye.